Welcome to Tech Tip Daily. Today I'll be showing you guys how to enable or disable Windows Defender on your Windows 11 computer. So to begin, simply go to the search bar below and type in Settings. Once we reach Settings, we're going to go ahead and click it. And you're going to want to go down on the far left and go to Privacy and Security. Once in Privacy and Security, next you're going to want to go and click Windows Security, where you see Antivirus, Browser, Firewall, etc. Click that. Then you're going to want to go ahead and we're going to want to click Open Windows Security right here. So we'll click that. Now once this is opened, you'll see Virus and Threat Protection. You're going to want to go and click that. And you can see that it's currently Virus and Threat Protection, no current threats. You can run a quick scan if you are concerned about your computer, but in this case we're going to want to be turning this off. So Virus and Threat Protection Settings. We're going to go to Manage Settings right here. Click that. And then you'll see here, Real-Time Protection. So this is what basically is running Windows Defender. So if you want to be able to turn that off, you're going to click it right here. You're going to toggle this. It'll show a prompt. You'll say yes, and then just like that, real-time protection is now off, leaving your device vulnerable. So at this point, as you can see, Windows Defender is turned off, and you can do the same for Cloud Defense and anything else that you want. But this is the main prompt you want to click on to turn off or turn on Windows Defender. Now take note that whenever you restart your computer or turn it off, turn it back on, this will come back on, so you'd have to do it every single time that you come back and restart your computer if you don't want to have your Windows Defender on all the time. So, and then if we want to turn it back on, you simply toggle this, and just like that, Windows Defender is now back on, and we are under Virus and Threat Protection yet again. So that's about it. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.